Hey tech lovers! Samsung didn't just drop the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 on the last event. They snuck in the Galaxy Watch 8 too. Sleek design, Gemini AI, health tools that judge your lifestyle. But is the battery life a deal breaker? Let's break it all down. Let's start with its sleek, bright, and smarter design. A stylish cushion case with 3000 nit AMOLED, super slim, great for sunbathing selfies, or just checking the time outdoors. Smooth UI and Gemini AI, Wear OS 6 paired with One UI. Watch 8 is fluid and tile-based, making health, notifications, and Gemini AI easy to navigate. Google's Gemini AI replaces Bixby. When it comes to advanced health tools, it has a running coach, antioxidant index, vascular load, energy score. If your watch refuses to judge your life choices, these might. Improved sensors and GPS, dual-band GPS, and a bioactive sensor deliver better heart rate and sleep tracking data than earlier models. Yeah, let's give a look now to the things those could be drawbacks on this watch. Battery and charging, around 30 and 40 hours of use. Decent, but still needs nightly docking. Charging takes about 90 minutes. Challenging setup. App overload? To get full health tracking, you'll need to juggle multiple Samsung apps. Galaxy Wearable, Health Monitor, a bit clunky. Strap incompatibility. Older Galaxy Watch bands, 4, 5, 6, 7, won't fit the new locking mechanism. So if you were flaunting custom bands, sorry, you've got to start over. Overall, if you are in the Samsung or Android ecosystem and want a stylish, health-focused smartwatch with the latest AI features, freshly charged daily, then the Galaxy Watch 8 is a solid pick. But if you expect multi-day battery, quick charging, third-party compatibility, or want to reuse your favorite band, this might leave you charging and thinking twice. So what do you think about this watch? Leave a comment, and do you want to buy it? Click on the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more laughs, leaks, and legit reviews.